Hello students. So in this video we will discuss another question on based on depression in freezing point, also from NCERT textbook. So the question is, there are two elements A and B forming two different compounds with molecular formula AB2 and AB4. Alright, we have two elements A and B forming two different compounds with molecular formula AB2 and AB4. So we have two compounds AB2 and AB4. And it is mentioned that when dissolved in 20 grams of benzene, 1 gram of AB2 lowers the freezing point by 2.3 Kelvin. Means what? If we take 1 gram of AB2 in benzene, so our benzene is the solvent here. Okay, so our AB2 is one kind of solute. So if we take 1 gram of AB2 compound, which is a solute, dissolved in 20 grams of benzene, which is solvent, then the freezing point depression is 2.3 Kelvin. Okay, whereas if you dissolve 1 gram of AB4 compound, another solute, same 1 gram, but now I am dissolving AB4 solute in same benzene and same amount. Solvent is same, benzene, but I am dissolving a different solute with same mass. Then what happens? The freezing point decreases by 1.3 Kelvin. So two different cases, common solvent, benzene, but two different solutes, AB2 and AB4. When you dissolve AB2 in benzene, there is one kind of depression in freezing point. When you dissolve AB4 solute in benzene, the depression of freezing point is mentioned separate. Okay, now so solvent is same, benzene, and the mass of solvent is same for both, that is 20 grams. The mass of solute is same for both, that is 1 gram, but the nature of solute is different. One is AB2, one is AB4, and the molar depression constant for benzene is also mentioned, 5.1 Kelvin kg mole inverse. Question is to calculate the atomic mass of A and B. Okay, now if you observe this question, many things are common for both AB2 and AB4. First of all, the solvent is common, benzene. Okay, for solute AB2 also solvent is benzene. For solute AB4 also solvent is benzene. Since the solvent is common, the Kf value, the molar depression constant value, that depends on the solvent, that will also be same. When AB2 is added to benzene, the Kf value will remain same. When AB4 is added to benzene, the Kf value or the molar depression constant value will remain same, because the solvent is same. So the Kf value for both the cases will be same. Okay, another quantity same is mass of solvent, that is 20 grams. AB2 is also added to 20 grams of benzene. AB4 is also added to 20 grams of benzene. So the mass of solvent is same, the Kf value is same, and the mass of solute is same, 1 gram of AB2, 1 gram of AB4. Solute mass is also same. Okay, so what is different? If mass of solute is same, mass of solvent is same, Kf value is same, difference is in the depression in freezing point. When AB2 is added, there is one depression in freezing point. When AB4 is added, there is another depression in freezing point. So the freezing point depression is varying in both cases, as well as the molar mass will also vary if you observe, because from the formula you know, since the formulas are different, the molar mass will also be different. Because what is molar mass? Sum of atomic masses. So since the molecular formula is different, obviously the molar mass will be different. Like for example, we can say carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. Formula is different. Carbon monoxide is CO. Carbon dioxide formula CO2. So formula is different. So obviously the molar mass values will vary. So the molar masses for both of them is also different. The freezing point is different. The molar masses are also different. Rest all are same. Mass of solute same. Ks value for both cases same. Mass of solvent same. Now keeping this in mind, we will apply the depression in freezing point formula. Let us go and apply. Okay, so now let me apply. Since the molar masses is different, depression in freezing point different, so we will get two different equations. Okay, rest all being same, only the molar masses and freezing point depression is different. So the common formula nature is same. The exact formula how it appears, delta TF equals to Kf into W2 into 1000 by M2 into W1. This is the formula. From this we can deduce, bring M2 this side, delta TF this side. So M2 equal to Kf into W2 into 1000 by delta TF into W1. Okay. Now this is our common formula for depression in freezing point and relationship between molality and molar depression constant. We simply cross multiplied and brought delta TF here, M2 here in the next step. Now what are these factors? Delta TF is your depression in freezing point, that we observed that it is different for different cases. When AB2 is added to the solvent, delta TF is different. When AB4 is added to the solvent benzene, delta TF is different. What else was different? Molar mass will be different because formula is same, formula is different. Formula is AB2 and AB4. So molar mass calculation, whatever you calculate molar mass will be different. Although elements are same, A, B is present in both of them. But since the formula is different, chemical formula, the molecular mass will obviously be different. Okay, so the molecular mass will be different and delta TF will be different. When we'll apply this equation to AB2 and AB4, these two factors will be different. Rest all will be same. Kf, molar depression constant, is same for both. When AB2 is added to benzene, AB4 is added to benzene. Because benzene solvent is same in both cases. Mass of solute W2 is same, 1 gram. Mass of solvent W1 is again same, 20 grams. The only difference is delta TF and molar mass of the solute. Now let us apply. The formula for both AB2 and AB4. When AB2 is added to solvent benzene, what you will get molar mass? You will apply this formula. The only variation will be delta TF in this formula, rest all will be same. So M2 AB2 will be what? Kf mentioned 5.1. W2, what is given W2? W2 is 1 gram. Delta TF, when AB2 is added, delta TF was 2.3 Kelvin. W1 again same, 20 grams solvent mass W1. Okay, so the only difference is 2.3, that is delta TF. When AB2 is added, depression in freezing point was 2.3 Kelvin. When AB4 is added to benzene, again we will apply this formula. When AB4 is added to benzene, again we will apply this formula for molar mass of AB4. What you will get? Same values except delta TF. We will apply delta TF when AB4 is added. It is given to be 1.3. Okay. You see, for both cases, mass of solute, mass of solvent same. Depression, molar depression constant is same, but variation is in the depression in freezing point. So that is why molar mass will also vary. If one of the quantity is varying, obviously molar mass will also be different. You can observe from the formula also. Okay, one of the quantity is different, so molar mass will also be different. M represents, capital M is the molar mass. Okay, M2 means molar mass of solute. We have written M2 subscript AB2 means molar mass of AB2. AB2 solute, what is the molar mass? AB4 solute, what is the molar mass? Okay. Now we can calculate both of them. Let us calculate. So when we calculate, we get molar mass of AB2 to be 110.87 grams per mole, and molar mass of AB4 196.15 grams per mole. Since the depression in freezing point value is different in both the cases, when AB2 is added to solvent benzene, AB4 is added to solvent benzene, since the delta TF value is different in both the cases, that is why the molar mass is also different. Even though rest quantities are same, but since the delta TF is varying in both cases, that is why molar mass of AB2 and AB4 is also varying. You can observe from the formula also. Even if one quantity is different, the molar mass will be different. And if you observe the formula also, the molar mass will be different. AB2, molecular formula is AB2. So if you calculate the molar mass, then atomic mass of A plus 2 into atomic mass of B. Whereas if you calculate molar mass of AB4, atomic mass of A plus 4 into atomic mass of B. So obviously the molar mass of AB2 and AB4, if you calculate, then also it will be different because of difference in molecular formula. Now you complete this, then we will go for the next step. Okay. Now, suppose atomic mass of A and B be small a and small b respectively. Let atomic mass of capital A be small a and atomic mass of capital B be A and B grams, A grams and B grams respectively. Let the atomic mass of capital A, that is element A, be small a grams and atomic mass of capital B element be small b grams. Okay. G for grams, A is your variable. Since we know that it is grams, and for time being I am erasing it. We will substitute when we find out. Now, if we calculate the molar mass of AB2, what you will get? Molar mass of AB2, if we calculate, it will be sum of atomic masses, A plus 2 into B, and the value, you know it already, 110.87, substitute that. Similarly, if we calculate the molar mass of AB4, sum of atomic masses, it will be A plus 4 into B. The normal way we calculate the molecular mass, sum of atomic mass as per the formula. Okay, now you know it from the given value, that is we have calculated 196.15. Now you observe you have two equations. Okay, we will solve these two equations. Very easily it can be solved. You subtract 2 from 1, sorry, you subtract 1 from 2, what you will get? Equation 1, equation 2 minus equation 1. Okay, you subtract 1 from 2, you will get what? You will get 2b. 2b value you will get to be 85.28. This implies b value you will get 85.28 by 2, that is 42.64. Okay, we subtracted this equation from this equation, 2 minus 1. Okay, now we got the value of b. You substitute in any one equation, you will get the value of a. Substitute this value of b in any one equation, you will get the value of a, and value of a is, you will get to be 25.59. So grams. So we got the atomic mass of capital A to be, I am mentioning here, atomic mass of capital A is, that is small a, we have assumed that 25.59 gram, and small b is atomic mass of capital B, that is small b, 42.64 grams. So this is how we calculated. That's all, and that was the question which was asked, to calculate the atomic mass of capital A and capital B elements. That's all. Thank you very much.